Good morning, students. Students, now our EVS period. In previous period, we have seen that what is meant by sunset, sunrise and phases of moon. Now today we are going to see in this lesson motions of the earth. In this lesson what we have learned. Okay. Now we have already learned what is meant by rotation. Rotation means any object that turns around itself. This is called as rotation. Actually it turns around one certain imaginary line. This is called as axis of rotation, and earth makes inclined axis. This is north south pole and this is equator. Equator makes two equal part of earth, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. We know that earth is revolve around the sun. At that time earth rotate around itself. This is called as rotation, and the period of rotation is called as 1 day. That makes 24 hours. It makes 1 day. Half of night and half of day. Okay. And the period of complete one revolution of the earth, this is called as 1 year. This period is about 365 days and 6 hours. This 6 hour makes, after 4 years, this 6 hour makes 24 hours, and it is 1 day. Every 4 year it makes 366 days in 1 year. This is called as leap year. According to Gregorian calendar, this is called as leap year, and in this leap year 366 days instead of 365 days, and at that time February has 29 instead of 28 days. Understand? Okay. Now we have already seen that phases of moon. New moon to full moon, that period, that 15 days period is called as waxing of moon and Shukla Paksha, while full moon to new moon, moon becomes smaller. That 15 days period is called as waning of moon, and this is Krishna Paksha. Fortnight of waxing of moon and fortnight of waning of moon is called as a lunar month. Fortnight means 15 days period. Okay, 15, 30. According to lunar month, that is 28 to 30 days. The period from one new moon to next one new moon is 28 to 30 days, and this is called as lunar month. The period of one full moon to next one full moon, after new moon to full moon, this period is called as lunar month. Okay, understand what is meant by lunar month. Lunar month means period of 28 to 30 days. New moon to next new moon. New moon to next new moon. This is called as lunar month. Students, you know that the length of the day and night is not always equal. It is different always. Okay. Why? Because of Earth's inclined axis and its revolution around the sun. That's why in northern hemisphere between 22 March to 23 September, the days are longer than the nights. Okay. Therefore, they are having warmer. That is the summer in the northern hemisphere. Okay. Where in northern hemisphere, that is summer, in 22 March to 23 September, that time days are longer than nights. Nights are shorter. Okay. At that time, in this same period, the southern hemisphere nights are longer than the days, and they are having winter season in southern hemisphere. At that time, northern hemisphere gets summer season and southern hemisphere get winter season. Understand? They are opposite to each other. In the period from 23 September to 22 March, the days are longer than the nights. In the southern hemisphere, it gets more heat and it is summer there while northern hemisphere are night are longer than days and it gets winter season. Okay, when northern hemisphere when northern hemisphere get summer season, at that time southern hemisphere get winter season. Okay, while southern hemisphere get summer season, at that time northern hemisphere get winter season and night is longer than day. Here day is longer than night. Understand, both are different. We know that in summer season in India, rainy season and winter are considered to be main season. We also divide into year into 6 season. Name in Marathi: Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant and Shishir. Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant and Shishir. This 6 season is called as Rutu Chakra. In Marathi we are called as Rutu Chakra. Okay, understand? Many of our festivals are connected with this season and related to this season. Many games and so many songs are related to these seasons. Understand? There are 6 seasons in Marathi. In India, there are Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant and Shishir. Okay, this is Rutu Chakra. Understand? What we have learned? Waxing of moon, waning of moon, lunar months and earth's rotation, revolution. Okay, understand? A year and a month. What is meant by leap year? Normal year having 365 days and 6 hours. Okay, understand? Here our second lesson is finished. In next period we will see question answer of these lessons. Okay,